Good afternoon, Santosh. Good afternoon, Rohini Pajbhai. Good afternoon, Bhavya Phule. Good afternoon, Sahil Singh. Good afternoon, Chaitanya Byers. Good afternoon, Jayant Wala. Good afternoon, Pranati Srivastav. Good afternoon, Ketki. Good afternoon, Harsh Musre. Good afternoon, Abhishek. Good afternoon, Yatharth Bidwai. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to science class. Today we are going to start the new topic that is very interesting. You already know you played it with many times. That is magnets. Now we often think that we can learn only in the school within the four walls or in the laboratory in the school or teacher can only teach me. But do you know that our environment, our surrounding, various things surrounding us are great teachers. They teach us a lot of things. But for that, you have to be curious. One of the great scientists, Albert Einstein, once told that curiosity is much more than intelligence. A person who is curious, he will know much more, he will about science, isn't it? Now, this topic magnet, is it new for you? Did you play with the magnet during your childhood? Now, one question I'll ask you. Where we will find this magnet in our nature? Is it important to read textbook? For that purpose, where you find this magnet in your surrounding? You are surrounded by a lot of equipments. Where do you find magnet? You might have seen. So can you give me different places, different things, different electronic devices where you find the magnet? Yes, one by one give the answer. Give the answer where we find the magnet. Yes, one by one give the answer. Very good. In speakers, you might have seen if you open the television and if you see the back, the speakers you will find magnets are there. You will find big boxes are there, speakers that are having magnets, isn't it? Again, other television, very good. In television it is used. Okay, in toy buses it is used. Okay, then one more answer is there. Earth is a big magnet. Really great. Bhavya Phule told our Earth is a big magnet. Yes, it is a big magnet. Then we will find many of you are giving the answer speakers. What about refrigerator when you open the door of the refrigerator? Are you every day pushing the door to close it or it gets automatically closed? It gets automatically closed. Why? Because magnet is there which pulls the door, which pulls the iron part of the door, whatever it may be. Isn't it? So you are only are giving lots of examples. Some are telling television, some are telling toy cars, some are telling speakers, some are telling refrigerator. We will find it is used extensively in our electronic devices, and you also maybe knowing you might have heard the story behind the discovery of magnet. There are two words, invention and discovery. Invention means to make something new, and discovery means it is already there in our surrounding, in our nature. on this earth. But nobody knew that someone has removed the cover and put forth in front of the world. That is discovered. So you may be knowing the story behind the discovery of the magnet. Okay. Chinta Kunda has written very good example. Radio, yes, very good beta. In radio it is there. And Arya Tapasi told door gets automatically closed because magnet is there that pulls and close the remote cars it is used to give. Abhishek Singh gave example remote car. Santosh gave example TV. Very good beta. So toy bus example is given speaker. Lots of examples are there. Okay. Now please tell me the story. How this wonderful thing which is used extensively in the different electronic devices, isn't it? So how this thing was discovered? You may be knowing the story. One of you can write down the story there in the chat box. Yes. Tell me the story. You might have heard. Yeah. What? Chinta Kunda, sir, I have doubt. What we throw it comes back. Then why when the rocket launches it goes up only not comes down? Why? Yes, that is correct. Chinta Kunda has given down. I throw the chalk is coming back. I throw the pain is coming back, isn't it? I throw the duster is coming back. Why it is coming back? You already studied. It is coming back because our earth is pulling all the things towards itself. Okay, due to gravitational force. Now what Chinta Kunda has written? Why rocket is then going far? Breaking this gravitational force. Okay, overcoming this gravitational force. What is the reason? Because the force of that rocket has power to overcome this gravitational force and to move forward. Okay, so that's why that rocket is moving far in space. Okay, then yes, Midwife has written, we found the magnet from the ground. Okay. Then, now Eliza has written a story. Very good, Eliza. She has written a shepherd boy manganese from Greece found magnet. He sticks magnetic end got stuck in rocks. Very good, Eliza. Very nice. There was a shepherd boy. Shepherd, they look after the ships. And every day he used to go in forest to bathe his shepherd, and he had a long stick to look after to direct the ships. If some ship is going here and there, then nicely they will use this. Okay, and had at the bottom iron rod. Top side it was wooden. Then he to look all the ships. He used to go at the top of the rock, and he used to stand there to look, to see all the ships, to look after all the ships. That's what he has done. He found that one day that it was difficult for him to pull his stick. Why? Because there was rock which was attracting that iron stick. The iron part of the stick at the bottom. Isn't it? And from that, what Elias wrote very correct, that magnet from the Greece found magnet, his stick magnetic end got stuck in the rocks. And from that magnet was discovered. This is one of the stories behind the discovery of magnet. Okay, so we will find this is how magnets were discovered. Okay, then we will find that this magnet is having two poles. Yes, you know that. Write down there in chat box what are the two poles of the magnet. Write down two poles of the magnet. What are the two poles of the magnet? Write down. You know that. Write down in chat box answer. Yes, very good. Chaitanya Bhai has given correct answer. North and South Pole. Very good. So we will find magnet which is having two poles. Suppose this is the bar shaped magnet. It is having two poles. North pole and South pole. N stands for North pole and S stands for South pole. Very good. Santosh also gave very correct answer. Bhavya Phule gave correct answer. Arya Tapase gave correct answer. Abhishek Singh gave correct answer. Yatharth Bidwai has given correct answer. Very good. So you already know this because you have seen magnet many times. Not in school, but you might have seen at your home. You might have seen outside also. So we will find not only in school, but you might have seen outside also. It is we will find. That's why I told that many things we learn from our environment, from things outside. So magnet is having north pole and south pole. Now one more thing you might have observed. Suppose I bring another magnet here. Here is the north pole and here is the south pole. I bring the north pole of the another magnet towards the south pole. What will happen? This is magnet number A, magnet A. This is magnet B. I bring magnet B here, magnet A. And I bring the north pole of this magnet towards the south pole of the magnet A. What will happen? Yes, you answer in chat box. Someone has given yes, Bidwai has given answer. It will stick. Very correct. This is your observation. That's why very starting I told. We learn from the things in our surrounding. Be curious. You see, with curiosity, different things. You will learn lot of things. Very correct. Bidwai has given very correct answer that these two poles of the magnet will attract each other. So he told north pole will stick the south pole. North pole of the magnet will attract the south pole of the magnet. Okay. North pole of magnet B attracts south pole of magnet A. Yes, this is our observation. Even small children they know many times because they are playing a lot with the magnet. No teacher is teaching them. But they know. Now Yatharth I did not teach him, but he told me, yes, this north pole will stick to the south pole. From our observation. Yes, it is correct. Now from this, it is very clear, one general statement we get that opposite poles of the magnet attract each other. Opposite poles of magnet attract each other. This is one of the characteristic feature of the magnet. This is one of the property of the magnet that opposite poles of the magnet they attract each other. Okay. Now in the same manner, if in place of south pole I bring, in place of north pole I bring south pole towards of the magnet B towards the south pole of the magnet A. What will happen? then what will happen? It will not attract, it will not stick, then what will happen? It will not attract, then what will happen? Any effect is there, they will not stick. But if I bring it near and near, if this is the magnet, I bring near and near and near, what will happen? It will not stick. But what will happen then? It won't stick. Yes, it won't stick. What will happen then? They will go away. Yes, very good. Chaitanya Bias has given correct answer that this magnet will go away if I bring the south pole of the magnet towards the south pole of this magnet B. What? They will repel similar poles, they repel each other. What is the second property? That is same poles of the magnet repel each other and opposite poles of the magnet attract each other. Same poles of magnet repel each other. If I will bring south pole of the magnet toward the south pole of the magnet B, then this pole will repel this pole, this magnet will move away. It will not attract, it will move away. So, same poles of the magnet repel each other and opposite poles of the magnet attract each other. Now, if I will bring iron pins in one box. If I will bring iron pins in one box and I bring the magnet near it, what will happen? Yes, if I bring iron pins in one box and I bring magnet near the iron pins, what will happen? This every small child knows. Yes, then what will happen if I bring? Yes, these iron pins will stick, will be attracted by the magnet, will be attracted by the magnet. So third property we studied. This is first one, this is second one, and third one is that magnets they attract iron. They attract iron. Magnets attract iron. Okay. So we will find these properties. This we already know. Why we know? Because we are playing with the magnet. All of you might have played with the magnet. And you may be knowing all these things earlier also. That it attracts the pieces of iron, all of you know. You know that the opposite poles of the magnet attract each other. You know from your observation. You know from your observation that the similar poles of the magnet repel each other. Now, some of you have told me that our Earth is a very big magnet. Now, if I will take one magnet, I will suspend it freely from the thread. You will find that magnet will always lie in north and south direction. That is one of the property of the magnet. That the freely suspended magnet always lie in north and south direction. Okay. So today it is enough. Tomorrow I will do that activity and we will learn that our Earth is a big magnet and a freely suspended magnet is always lie in north and south direction. So today what we learned? Today we learned about how magnet was discovered and what are the three simple important properties of magnet. So have a nice day. Read the textbook. Thank you very much.